Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on all email notification settings on your account on TikTok, easy and quick. First, click on your profile icon, click on these three lines here. Now click settings and privacy, and here you'll find notifications. Click on it like this. Here you will find email notifications. Click on it, and here just click like this, and you will turn on all email notifications, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and I hope this video is helpful for you. And thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.